Alright, here's the plan. My little cousin Brandon fell asleep on the couch. And here, I got a bottle and found me some baby powder. I'm gonna go antiquing. Since she's working. Oh! Shh. He's sound asleep. I'm gonna have music on. So, I'm gonna antique them and throw a bottle out. Brandon! Brandon! Help! Oh. Guess what you got on you? Oh, you just got it on the couch! Brandon, get up! You just got baby powder on the couch!